You can use energy in a number of ways.
A lot of people don't know. You just pay a bill and say it's the cost of manufacturing, move on.
It's important for our customers to see energy as a controllable cost, because if you don't, you're never going to do anything about it.
What excites me the most about the job that we have at Enbridge is being able to help the customers realize their ambitions and their goals, and to see Enbridge more than the suppliers of energy. We start with the free technical advice, all the way through financial incentives for energy audits, energy metering, as well as implementing energy efficiency projects.
One of the challenges the industrial sector is facing right now is rising costs of keeping their business operating. What we offer that a lot of other people in the industry don't is free advice.
Because the textile industry is a very competitive market, we have to watch out always to keep our costs down. First time when Chris came in, we went through the production. I explained him each process.
The felting machine's steam hood was throwing money off the roof through a fan.
In our boiler room, we have a lot of excess heat. Slobodanka recommended that we put in an economizer that captures that heat and reuses it to heat up our hot water.
We reduced basically the speed of the fan. It's a huge success. We're saving a lot of money with every bill.
Often people would ask, why would you help us save something that you make money off?
Why would someone that sells gas to us encourage us to use less of it? Quickly became apparent that they were in this for the right reasons.
It serves us no purpose if industry leaves the province, so it's in our best interest to help you become more efficient. Keep your doors open and your lights on longer.
Our energy consumption dropped up to 20%, 25%.
Natural gas usage has gone down 43%, which is really unprecedented within our sector.
Enbridge wants our industrial customers to flourish.
Our job is to help manufacturing here be competitive in the market.
If everybody could do something energy efficient, we could be miles ahead.
Your energy?
Our experts.
Smart savings.